Here we are given two sides of a triangle 8 and 15. Right, and to make this triangle an obtuse angle triangle, what should be x? What should be the third side? Right. Earlier we discussed the criteria of obtuse angle triangle. Let's say triangle is obtuse angle like this: A, B, and C. Right. If it is like this. Earlier we discussed that a square plus b square should be less than c square. How? Because let's say let us extend this. Okay, let us extend this and call this part extra part as x and this part as h height. Right. Now let's make this angle. Let's say this is a perpendicular. That's why the height is h. Perpendicular to the line that is extended from A. Right. Now this part is a right angle triangle, right? This part is a right angle triangle. That means a plus x whole square plus h square is actually equal to c square. Because this is the base and this is the height. What does that mean? A square implies x square plus x square plus 2ax plus h square is actually equal to c square. Right. Now this x square and x square plus h square, this also is again in the right angle triangle. Right. X square plus h square is actually equal to b square. Right. This is the hypotenuse. What does that mean? A square plus b square plus 2ax is equal to c square. What does that mean? A square plus b square plus something is equal to c square. Right. And what does that mean? This automatically means a square plus b square is less than c square. Right. And if this is a right angle triangle, right, this x will become 0. This triangle will become like this, right? A and B and C. This whatever this additional x will become 0. This term will become 0. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. So for any obtuse angle triangle, let's say the angle is obtuse here. A square plus b square is less than c square. Right. Now let's use this property. Here we are given 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and the third one is x centimeters. Now, this 15 centimeters cannot be the lowest side because lowest is already 8. 15 can be greatest. 15 has two options. Either it is the greatest or largest. Either largest side or second largest side. Right, but not the lowest. Let's take both the cases. Let us say it is the largest side. That means this is 15, this is 8, this is x. As per this formula, 8 square plus x square should be less than 15 square. Right? So, 8 square plus x square, when x is equal to 864 plus x square should be less than 225. Right? 225. 225 minus 64, it should be 161, right? Minus 64. X should be less than root of 161. Right. And here it is given x is an integer. X is an integer means x can be 12 or less. 12 or less. Right. X can be 12 or less. Now, what are the various options? X can be 12, 9, 8, sorry, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Right. X can be these five. Why not 7? Because once it becomes 7, then this becomes 8, this becomes 7. We cannot create a trend. Right. 8 plus 7 will equal to 15. So we cannot create a trend. So until 8 it is possible. Until 8 it is possible. But max is 12. X is less than root 161. So x can be 12 because x is an integer. It can be 12 or less up till 8. Right. So x can be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is one option. This is when 15 is the largest side. Right. Now 15 need not be the largest side. 15 can be the second largest. Right. Then 15 is second largest side. This becomes x and this becomes 15. Right. Again, 8 square plus 15 square should be less than x square. Right. 8 square plus 15 square is actually equal to 17 square. Right. 225 plus 64 is 289, which is 17 square. 17 square should be less than square. Right. So x can be, it should be greater than 70. So what all you can take? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Sorry, 17 it cannot take, right? 18, 19, 20, it should be greater than 7. 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. It cannot take 23. Why? If it takes 23, again, this is 8, this is 15, 8, this is 15, this is 8, this is 15. Then the third side is equal to length of these two sides, right? This is 20. So we cannot form a triangle, right? The sum of these two sides should be greater than the thirds. So 23 is not an option because when it is 23, there is no more triangle. There are just two parallel lines. So it can take up till 22 when 15 is the second largest scale. So here we have five options here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or another five options 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there are 10 such triangles with sides 8, 15, and third side whatever, so that it is 57. Right. Thank you guys.